Hi doston, welcome to SSG Electrical. In this video, I am going to discuss about RRC Group D exam date and how to prepare for that exam. I am going to discuss here. As per the recent update, the exam is going to be conducted in May first week. In the May first week, the exam is going to be conducted, but actual exam dates given is April 2021 to June 2021. Okay, so the number of vacancies for this is 1,03,765 vacancies. So many vacancies are there, and the total applied candidates for this exam is 1 crore 15 lakh members applied for this exam. And actually the notification, this is 2019 notification. Okay, this is a 2019 notification. Still the exam is pending, and the exam is going to be conducted between April 2021 to June 2021, and as per the recent notice, it's going to be conducted in May first week. And accordingly, around 35 to 40 days is there for the preparation. So for 35 to 40 days, how to prepare for that exam, I am going to tell here. So for preparing for this exam, you have to prepare a proper timetable for this. You have to prepare a proper timetable and keep the syllabus with you. Okay, what is the syllabus for RRC Group D exam? You have to keep the syllabus with you, and what is the sectional weightage and what are the topics they will give you, more questions you have to understand, and keep daily targets. Okay, first of all you have to take the syllabus. Okay, you have to take the syllabus, and accordingly you have to prepare a timetable for 40 days. For 40 days you have to prepare a timetable. For each day, what are the topics you need to complete, you have to fix it. Okay, daily targets you have to fix it, and accordingly you have to finish it in particular day, and keep complete focus on your exam. Okay, don't deviate with any other exams, keep complete focus on your exam. Okay, don't use phone or allot only specific time for using phones. Okay, don't use phone, allot only specific time only. Okay, and 40 days you have to just write like this in some particular paper or calendar also you can use it, and if you are particularly satisfied with particular date, you have to tick it. Okay, you have to tick it. If you are satisfied with particular day, you have to tick it. If you are not satisfied with particular day, you have to put the into mark. Okay, so accordingly, effectively, if you are prepared for this 40 days, it will be very much useful for cracking this exam. Okay, actually the notification for this exam is came on 2019, 23rd February 2019 it came. Okay, most of you might have forgot this, and most of you might have applied for this exam and have forgot about the exam. Okay, see here, the exam date is actually previously given 15 December 2020, but still it is postponed, and April to June 2021 it's going to be conducted. Okay, the actual notification released on 2019. And the net salary at starting, you can see for X class city 22,320, and for Y class city 20,880, and for Z class city 19,440 is the net salary. Okay, if you get this job at starting, you are going to get this salary. For sectional weightage, you can see here, for sectional weightage, for general science 25 questions will be given. For general science 25 questions will be given. For mathematics 25 questions, and for general intelligence and reasoning 30 questions, and for general awareness and current affairs 20 questions will be given. Okay, total 100 questions will be given in this exam. 100 questions, and 90 minutes is the time limit, and this is the online based exam. Okay, syllabus you can see. For mathematics, these are the topics they will ask you in exam regarding number system, decimals, LCM, ration proportion, mensuration, time, distance, profit and loss, geometry, square roots. So regarding these topics they will ask you the questions. Okay, and regarding general intelligence and reasoning and analogies, coding and decoding, relationship, jumbling, data interpretation. So from these topics they will give you the questions. Okay, you can observe this, all the topics, whatever the topics that comes under general intelligence and reasoning, you can observe here. For alphabetical and number series and mathematical operations, syllogism, Venn diagram. Okay, and based on the syllabus for mathematics and reasoning you have seen here, and regarding general awareness and current affairs, you can prepare any GK book or Lucent book you can prepare for general awareness, and for current affairs you can prepare last 6 months current affairs. You can use YouTube or any other book for preparing for this current affairs section. For current affairs you can prepare last 6 months current affairs, and for general awareness you can prepare Lucent book. Okay, for general intelligence and reasoning, and you can prepare some standard books, and what are the topics that will ask in the paper I have discussed, and you have to prepare a proper timetable, and accordingly just prepare for that exam and keep the syllabus with you and prepare well, and all the best. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.